Welcome back, viewers. In last three videos, we have checked out what are containers, what are Dockers, what is Podman. In this video, we are going to check out the WSL or the Windows Subsystem for Linux. So the WSL for Linux, that is the Windows Subsystem for Linux, lets developers run a GNU Linux environment, including most of the command line tools, utilities, and applications directly on Windows, unmodified without the overhead of an additional virtual machine or a dual boot setup. So you can choose your favorite GNU Linux distribution from the Microsoft site. You can run common commands line tools such as grep, sed, awk, or any other ELF64 libraries. You can run bash shell scripts, Linux command line applications, including tools like Vim, Emacs, Tmux, languages like Node.js, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, C, C++, C hash, F hash, Rust, Go, etc. And you can avail services like SSHD, MySQL, Apache, Lite, TPD, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL. You can install additional software using your own Linux distribution package manager. You can invoke Windows application using Unix-like command line shell. You can invoke Linux application on Windows. You can run Linux graphical applications integrated directly to your Windows desktop. You can use GPU acceleration for machine learning, data science scenarios, and more. So this is a video to teach you what you can do with WSL. So you can check this out. Now, what is WSL2? So WSL2 is a new version of Windows subsystem for Linux architecture that powers the Windows subsystem for Linux to run ELF64 Linux libraries on Windows. Its primary goals is to increase file system performance as well as adding a full system call compatibility. This new architecture changes how the Linux binaries interact with Windows and your computer's hardware, but still provides the same user experience as in WSL1. So it is currently widely available version WSL1. Individual Linux distributions can be run with either the WSL1 or the WSL2 architecture. Each distribution can be upgraded or downgraded at any time, and you can run WSL1 or the WSL2 distribution side by side. WSL2 uses entirely new architecture that benefits from running a real Linux kernel. So below is this recommended content, that is install WSL, troubleshoot WSL, set up WSL development environment, basic command for WSL, getting started with VS Code on WSL, FAQs, install subsystem on the Windows server, file permissions for the WSL. All those things we will check out in the subsequent videos. So for this video, we have just checked out the basics. What is WSL, what is WSL1, and what is WSL2. So I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.